mind with little creatures laughing. Everybody seems so happy. Have I possibly gone daffy? What is this?
Hey everyone, and welcome back to another episode of House of Bugs. I'm sorry for the poor quality sound. Honestly, it is 1 a.m. I have an early start tomorrow. My microphone is all the way over there and I've got a lot of props on. I just don't want to get up, honestly. So please excuse that. But today we are spookifying into an ice queen for BAHHUMBUGZ. It is the first day of the winter solstice. At least I hope it is if I got this video up in time. So I really wanted to do something that was obviously very icy and wintry related for this day. I usually do really fun looks whenever the seasons change. I will link some of my favorites down below and put some on the screen right here so you can check them out. If you like any of those, I do tons of fun makeup looks, not just spooky things, all year round. So if you want to see any of that, you can follow me on Instagram. My username is @Linabugz. Anyway, like I mentioned earlier, today I'm going to be spookifying into an ice queen. I didn't want to do something like cartoonish. I don't know, I just wanted to look like an evil ice queen. Anyway, if you are interested in seeing how to get this look done, then just keep on watching. First things first, I'll be applying this Revolution Cream Stick Concealer all over my face. This is in the shade F3, so it's a lot fairer than my usual complexion, but that is exactly what I wanted since she is the Ice Queen. I wanted to make her as pale as possible, but I didn't want to make her necessarily white, which is why I didn't use my white foundation from LA Girl. It's been a hot minute since I've used that foundation. Then to highlight and conceal, I'll be using ColourPop Cosmetics White Concealer. I'm going to be applying this under my eyes, my chin, my upper lip, my forehead, and down the bridge of my nose. And then basically I'm just going to blend it out into my face to add to the fairness. Now I'm going to just set my face with Illamasqua's White Translucent Powder. This stuff is white. It does an amazing job of highlighting if you're really pale and for setting white foundation. Now I'm going to be jumping into the eyes, and I'll be taking Maybelline's Lasting Drama eyeliner in the shade White Luster. I'm just going to apply this all over my lid and lower lash line as a base, leaving my crease clear of product. Once I'm done applying that to my lid, I'm just going to smooth it out with my finger to make sure there are no creases before applying the shadow on top. Now I'm going to be going into the Revolution and Belle Jordan collab palette. This is so beautiful. I wish I got to play around with more shades than just the white one, but I'll be taking the white one to basically set the eyeliner that I originally put down. I typically jump around a lot when I'm just doing my makeup and I have no idea what I'm doing, so I'm going to jump to eyebrows. I'll be taking Milk Makeup's Kush Brow in the shade Grind to fill in my brows. I absolutely love this stuff. It makes my brows look like they're completely done in under a minute. Next, we're going to take Ofra's highlighter in Glazed Donut. This is the most amazing white highlighter. If you're really pale and you've been looking for a highlighter, you should definitely check this one out. I'm going to be adding this to my crease and brow bone area just to blend together the lid and crease area. Next, I'm going to run some Sigma Beauty Embellish Lash in the shade Don't Label Me on my natural lashes to coat them before adding some false lashes that I've also applied this mascara to. If you want to see how I create these white false lashes, I will link the tutorial in the annotations on the top right hand of the screen, but I'm just going to pop these on with some House of Lashes lash glue and then run another coat of mascara to blend my real lashes to the false lashes. For lips, I wanted something dark to give off that evil ice queen kind of look, so I'll be using CoverGirl's Melting Pout Matte Lipstick in the shade 350 Supermodel. This is a really soft matte lip cream, and it's actually my first time trying it out. I really loved it. Next, I'm going to apply the glitter tears that I created myself, just using a hot glue gun on a cardboard box and then throwing some glitter all over them. I used the glitter Candy Love, and I think it was in the style Atmosphere, but I'm just going to apply those using more House of Lashes lash glue, putting on this costume from Leg Avenue, of course, and then this crown from Leg Avenue as well that I spray painted silver. It came gold originally, but obviously I wanted it to be icy.
I'm also adding these snowflakes from the Dollar Tree to my ears. I'm pretty sure they are ornaments, but I'm going to wear them as earrings. And then last, I'll be adding this amazing handpiece from Lori Sun Artistry. Per usual, I will link everything in the description down below, so be sure to check that on your way out. While you're down there, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more spookifies. Let me know how your holiday season is going in the comments down below, and thank you again so much for watching. Hopefully I will see you soon for more spookifies.